Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to learn electrical engineering step by step. We will begin by establishing a strong foundation in core subjects. Start with essential mathematics like calculus and differential equations, which are crucial for understanding electrical phenomena. Simultaneously, delve into basic physics principles, especially electromagnetism. Grasping these initial concepts is paramount, as they form the bedrock for all advanced topics you will encounter. This foundational knowledge will serve you well throughout your learning journey. Next, we move into core electrical engineering concepts, focusing on analog electronics. You will learn about alternating current and direct current circuits, analyzing their behavior in various conditions. Explore the functionality of operational amplifiers, which are versatile components used in many applications. Understanding semiconductor devices like transistors is also vital, as they are the building blocks of modern electronics. Hands-on practice with circuit design and simulation software will solidify your understanding. Our third step involves diving into the world of digital electronics and microcontrollers. You will master digital logic gates, understanding how they form the basis of all digital systems. Explore combinational and sequential circuits, which are essential for memory and control functions. Learning about microcontrollers, such as Arduino or Raspberry Pi, and their programming will open up vast possibilities for creating intelligent systems. Developing practical projects will reinforce these concepts significantly. Finally, you can explore advanced topics and consider specializations. This might include signal processing, control systems, or power electronics, depending on your interests. Many engineers specialize in areas like radio frequency engineering, robotics, or renewable energy. Gaining practical experience through projects, internships, or even building your own devices is invaluable. Remember, electrical engineering is a dynamic field, so continuous learning and adapting to new technologies are key to long-term success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.